Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Donna. This morning, I noticed I got a lot of blueberries I need to use up, so we're going to make some blueberry muffins and have them with my coffee this morning. And I wanted to share it with you all. Everything you will be needing is in the description box, okay? So here I have my flour, and to that, I'm going to be adding my sugar, my baking powder, my salt, and my baking soda. And we're just gonna mix this up. Yeah, I seen those blueberries in my refrigerator and I'm like, need to use these up. So I figured why not make up some, I was gonna do some blueberry pancakes, but then I'm like, nah, I'm gonna do some, because I do have a video on blueberry pancakes and I do have another video on muffins. But I think those are dried blueberries and that other one, they're a bit different from these ones. All right, just get this mixed up. And here, I'm going to go ahead and, I don't know if that's, Curtis, can you pop that in the microwave for maybe 20 seconds?
Yes, I can.
I had my butter melted already, but as we know, it's cold. It is cold, so that kind of got stiff on me there. But meanwhile, we have 2 large eggs, room temperature. My buttermilk. My vanilla. And these muffins are, they come together fairly quick. My blueberry extract. Now that is hard to find sometimes. I order mine and I put it in the refrigerator and it lasts forever. But it really makes a difference in blueberry muffins. Because you know, like when you make blueberry muffins and like the boxed ones, you make them boxed ones and they're, you get that nice blueberry flavor. Like at donut places, you get a blueberry donut. Or even the stores with the muffins and the donuts, they have that really nice blueberry flavor. But the blueberry itself ain't giving you that blueberry flavor we all look for. So I like to put in the blueberry extract. Just get that mixed up. And you don't want your butter real hot. Just melt it and get that mixed right in there with it. And like I said, this comes together quick. And they're so good with coffee in the morning or just a breakfast muffin on the go. Okay, we got that mixed up. Now what I'm going to do is just add this to my dry. And we're just going to mix this till it starts coming together. With any cakes or muffins, anything like that, you never want to overmix. And please do measure your flour properly, which it being, get you a spoon and just get that flour and just drop it in lightly into your cup and then just level it off with the back of a knife or something. You don't want to go in just packing your cup because then you're getting it tightly packed and you're getting more flour than you need. Then your muffins are going to be dry and we don't want that. So we're just going to mix this in and then we'll get our blueberries put in here, okay? Just until it comes together. Okay, I just got that mixed in. Now get you some fresh blueberries and rinse them, clean them well, pat them dry, and my oven is ready. Some pretty blueberries. And I'm just going to fold these in. We don't want to break them up. Just get them mixed through there. I can smell that blueberry extract. I'm going to tell you, it makes a world of difference adding that in. But you can also go wrong with it and put way too much of it, so be careful with that. All right. Get my muffin tins here. Now, it just depends on how large you want your muffin. Don't go too large with it, though, because you don't want them sticking together. Sometimes I'll, because as they rise, they'll cook together. So if you want bigger muffins, remove some of your paper, like for instance that, and maybe these. Get one out of the way. That way it has nothing else to rise with. But I'm going to see how many I get here, and I'm going to fill these just about all the way to the top. And I'll continue filling. Okay, I put a few more blueberries on top. You don't have to, but I like to. And then I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of the white sparkling sugar. Just a little bit. This is optional. I like a little bit of crunch. If I have it, I use it on my muffins. And my oven is preheated. These are not going to last. We all love these muffins.
These are probably my favorite muffins you make.
Yeah, they're really good. And I love them with coffee. My goodness. And put some butter on it. Oh, yeah. And they're very simple. Okay. There they are. In the oven they go. Probably 15 to 20 minutes. Insert a toothpick. They start getting nice and brown on top. Insert the toothpick in them. Comes out clean. They're done. You still got dough on that toothpick. Put them back in the oven. All right. All righty, my friends. Mine cooked or baked for 22 minutes. Like I said, ovens vary. And I do like to move mine to the very top of the oven rack, like the last 5 minutes, to get that nice brown color on them. Just don't overbake them. But we're going to go in with one. Look at there, guys. I see this one here. I like. They're delicious muffins, and I'm going to have one with some butter with y'all. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you enjoy the channel, hit that like and subscribe button and share and help get me out there, guys. But welcome if you're new. Let's tear this open here. Look at there. They're so moist, and I just love them. With just a little pat of butter and some of my coffee, or like I said, on the go. Oh, yeah. So good. Where's my coffee? I'm still drinking out of my Christmas mug. But there they are. I hope you guys give these a try and enjoy them. And if I ever forget anything, it'll be in the description. But until next week, we will see you guys later. Stay blessed. Stay warm. Love y'all. Bye-bye.